Hey guys, Adam here from PTN. Another quick video. I know it's been a while, I'm really sorry. I've been so busy. Lots of you have been buying the Pipercross air filters, the forge inlet duct, which is great to see. Another product here. This one isn't available from us, but we have been sent it by Andrew at DT UK. We've been running now for about a few weeks and we've took it off so we could do a quick video and show how we're gonna get it onto the car. We're getting the car ready for another dyno run. The Pipercross induction kit is round the corner. We can't wait to release it. We want to get some dyno runs with and without the power boxes, just see what everything's capable of. And we'll get this open, show you what you get and how easy it is to install. You could end up with over 300 horsepower in about, I don't know, 5 minutes, probably not even that. Dead easy to install. Let's get it open and show you what we're doing. Nice and easy box, nice and small. This is the DT UK box. If you don't know what it is, basically it's a plug-in box that allows the car to bring in more power by adjusting how much throttle is sensed and how much air inlet is being sensed. And you have different modes. It's really easy to install and you get an app as well. And you can unplug it. You come with a little blanking plate. So if you didn't want to use it for any particular day, if the car was going for a service or if you want to do something a bit different, blanking plate, nice and easy. And then it comes with a whole host of wires. It looks complicated and it's a bit kind of daunting when you first open the package, but the nice easy thing is the instructions are so easy to use. I'm no mechanic. It's just so simple. It's all colour coordinated, 1 to 5, nice and easy steps. And as I said, nice and easy instructions to read. The best thing about it again is everything's numbered and where is it? I've seen it somewhere. Nice clear images of where everything needs to go and a step-by-step process, which is what everyone wants to be installed on your driveway. Easy. So let's get on with the job. that installed really. That's the DT UK tuning box, nice and installed there. We can't wait to get back on the road. This thing really improves our kind of our mid throttle, our mid torque range. We've been really enjoying it. We can't wait to play around with different maps. We've left it on kind of the standard program, but there's so many different ranges there, all usable by the app. So we can't wait to get it back on the road, get it ready for the big induction kit, can't wait for our dyno day. That was such a simple install. We really did take only, I don't know, about 3-4 minutes to get that installed. The picture diagram really helps. All we need to do now is kind of tidy it up. We've put it on top of the fuse box, so we just need to get that stuck into position there, and we kind of need to cable tie some of the wires up there just to give it a better look when you open up the bonnet there. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video. Please do like and subscribe. We're going to get back on the videos again soon. We've got loads of filming to do, loads of content to create, so it's the optimal time to subscribe. Cheers, take care.